Welcome to Sunday afternoon in Centenary Square. We're just about to start a walking tour for 9 people, which is good post-COVID. Now I just want to tell you a little bit about our live audio. The guide, me today, wears a concealed microphone linked to a transmitter in my pocket. Each of our guests receives a audio receiver. It's a simple device with an on-off switch and volume control. The range of these meters is around 50 meters the way we use them, and you can use as many as 70 devices on one transmission system. Indeed, we've had 65 Polish students all linked up to one guide. The idea is that you can hear every word on our tours. We know that approximately 1 in 5 of the UK population have a hearing impairment. When they come on tour with us, they are hugely pleased that they can hear the guide perfectly in their earphones. Of course, these are also great when you go to noisy places where the guide would have to shout to make themselves heard. Equally, when you go to quiet places, for example, St. Philip's Cathedral, where we sit our guests in the choir pews and look at the Edward Burne-Jones stained glass, the guide can whisper and not interfere with other people enjoying the cathedral for different purposes. We purchased these from a factory in Shenzhen who made them to a UK compliant frequency for under £50 each, and they last a decent time. The lithium batteries in some of these devices are over 4 years old and still holding decent charge with a 3 to 5 hour time between charges.